Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kiran and I make lifestyle and comic videos. If you are new to this channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified about my videos and join this small family. In this video, as you read from the title, I will share with you guys how I cleared up my forehead acne. Now having an acne-free, pimple-free, spot-free skin is probably on everyone's list. But let me tell you guys one thing, it does not at all define your personality. It does not define you. I know, I understand, having visible skin issues take a toll on our confidence. But trust me, when you stop thinking about it, when you stop caring what other people think about you, it gets much better. I know, easier said than done, but trust me, I have been through that stage. What you see right now is a little better version of my skin. And if you want to know how, then keep on watching. Apart from some common causes such as oily skin, hormonal changes, forehead acne can be caused if you have dandruff and if you are dealing with period irregularity. First of all, I'm gonna start with some more basic tips, and if you're not interested in that, you wanna jump straight to the juicy part, you can always skip it. I will be quick though. Number 1, don't use the same towel you use to dry your body. Keep a separate soft towel just for your face. Second tip, pat dry your face, don't rub your face, be very gentle. Use a chemical-free light cleanser. Now there are a lots of cleansing options available in the market from oils, balms, face wash, soaps, but you want to use one that is chemical-free, isn't too trying, and of course that is in your budget. What I use is a prescribed face wash named Medor and sometimes Dove face soap. Only because it's very soft, if that makes sense. It's very light and also it's very moisturizing and it suits my skin. Use a gel-based moisturizer. Now, it took me long enough to realize that how important it is to moisturize your skin even if it is oily. You probably don't want to do that. Don't just apply anything. A lot of us chooses products because our favorite celebrities or influencers use them or recommend them. Don't do that. Everybody's skin is different and so behaves different when it comes in contact with different products. Be careful. Don't do too much. Not just makeup, but too much of skincare product can also increase the risk of acne. So you might want to have a look at your skincare routine and think if it's too much. Now let's jump on to the tips that helped me a lot. Eliminating milk from my diet. Oh my god, I cannot tell you how much this affected my skin in the most positive way. I stopped having tea or chai and substituted green tea for it, and the results were visible. So keep a check on your diet, try eliminating milk from it, and maybe it's the one thing worsening your acne too. Benzoyl peroxide gel. This is the one that I have been prescribed and it works wonders. I absolutely love it. And when I say it, I mean it, because I have used a lot of over-the-counter gels that were really strong for my skin and didn't even work. This one on the other hand works well for me. But of course you need to consult your doctor first. Exercising. Now I know it sounds a little cliche, but guys, it's true. I have experienced it myself. Also, you cannot expect any of the products, be it super luxurious, to work if you are not taking care of your body from the inside. Any kind of activity, be it swimming, dancing, or just playing, is very important. 60-second cleanup rule. It's really important to clean your face not with just right product, but the right way too. So, to do this, take the product on your palms and rub it in circular motions for around 60 seconds. And there you have it. Ice cubes. Ice cubes are great in reducing inflammation. I have been using it for more than 4 to 5 months and they help me a lot. Don't use it directly on your skin. Wrap it in a clean cloth and don't keep it on a same place for more than 5 seconds and you are good to go. And these were some things that really helped me with my acne. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also I would love to know about your skin journeys and some tips in the comment sections below. Until then, bye bye.